The SS United States was the world's fastest ocean liner. She entered service in 1952, smashing the transatlantic speed record on her maiden voyage. The American public enthusiastically embraced America's flagship. Throughout the 1950s, people from around the world booked transatlantic accommodation on the world's fastest ship. In November of 1969, she was abruptly and permanently withdrawn from service. This was the new age of the long-haul flight. In addition, her ocean liner design was not suited to the new trend of cruising. The SS United States is currently laid up at Pier 82, on the Delaware River, in Philadelphia, slowly rusting away. In 2023, a charity called the SS United States Conservancy unveiled a proposal that would see the SS United States return home to New York. The transformative plan would repurpose the vessel as a permanently moored floating structure, encompassing hospitality, food and beverage, and cultural spaces. Those offerings would include a world-class museum honoring the ship's history. It is anticipated that this new economic activity would create over 5,700 jobs.